So if your Windows 11 update KB5085516 is not installing, here's a simple step-by-step fix you can follow. First, restart your computer. This might sound basic, but it clears temporary glitches that often block updates. Once your system restarts, try installing the update again from Windows Update. If it still fails, the next step is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Let it complete and apply any fixes it suggests. If the issue continues, you'll need to reset the Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Then stop the update services by typing the commands to stop woserv, cryptsvc, bits, and MSI server one by one. After that, rename the software distribution and catroot 2 folders. Then restart the same services again. This process refreshes the update system completely. Next, check your system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator again and run the SFC scan by typing sfc/scan now. Wait for it to finish. After that, run the DISM command using dism/online/cleanup/image/restore health. These tools repair any corrupted system files that might be blocking the update. If the update still doesn't install, go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website, search for KB5085516, download the correct version for your system, and install it manually. Also, make sure you have enough disk space and temporarily disable any third-party antivirus, as it can sometimes interfere with updates. Finally, if nothing works, you can perform an in-place upgrade using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. This will reinstall Windows without deleting your files and usually fixes update issues. That's it. One of these methods should resolve the problem and get your update installed successfully.